I'm Gear Brylls, and here today with me, special fence climber Tim C. Now if you watched the last episode of Gear Brylls, you'll know fences are not my speciality. So let's make sure it never happens again.
As Tim C and I tread through the valley, we know this route has been used before, and that could save our lives.
Well, climb fences. Do it for a living. It's good for the family. Get around over fences and that. Any fence little Jumbo. Any fence he wants to go, or just say, oi, climb it for you. So Jumbo's happy, wife's happy, steak for Christmas. That's all I have to say.
Can you climb over a fence for us now?
Who, me?
Yeah, you.
Of course I fucking can, you know.
Barry! Get over here. I don't know if you can see on the camera. If you look over there, there's the infamous twig, right, of the bewildered, very lethal. Yeah, very lethal, okay? That shit will take you down in a blink of an eye.
Take you down to next Tuesday.
Yeah. Even if it's Thursday, you're fucked, mate.
Even if the dates of the days have not been judged.
Here in the sub-zero Antarctic, okay, you can never keep your guard down. Always keep on your best. Fucking hell, Barry! Have a look at that! You see that? That fully shows you how the conditions in the sub-zero Antarctic can get.
The weather's shit!
As Tim C said back there, the weather is in fact quite shit.
In these sub-zero conditions, it's near impossible to warm up. Your only chance of survival is to run.
Here in the sub-zero Antarctic, you can never keep your guard down. Okay, temperatures can drop below minus 8,000 degrees. Okay, and that's not a good thing. You don't want to be here when that's dropping at that rate. Okay, so the one thing you can do to preserve your heat and survive in this barren wasteland, okay, 8 layers of fucking socks. The only way you're gonna get out. And Tim C,
Yeah?
you're gonna die, mate. Oh, fucking no! Okay, luckily we got to Tim in time, but that just shows you what can happen if you take off your shirt or socks or any kind of material that you wear on your body. Okay, right now we're gonna make it to that bench in the horizon there. Okay, and unluckily for us, the temperatures have dropped below 8,000 degrees. We've got to get out of this barren fucking wasteland before it gets the best of us. It's happened before, I've lost many men to this. Okay, starts by cannibalism, ends in gay. Right, let's get out of here. Get to the bed, Tim.
My mate Billy died again.
Barry! This could be our shelter for the night. Okay, but hopefully we'll... Oh shit, Barry. Helicopter, mate! Fucking helicopter here! Look at it! It's beautiful! Get run through it!